Hi there, I'm one of the owners of ReadyToShip. My name's Nathan, and for this video we're going to show you how to print eParcel labels with ReadyToShip. And to do that we're going to use some sample orders from a Shopify store. So we have 4 orders here that we've created this morning in our Shopify store. They've been imported automatically and they're sitting here in unshipped orders. We've selected parcel, post and signature for each of our 4 orders that are in here at the moment. So to process these, we simply select them and click Ship Selected Orders. Now that will move them into their own batch or their own shipping run, we call it. And while they're in this shipping run, we can now process them. So there's a number of different action buttons that we can click on up the top here. The first 3 are optional. So an SKU summary, invoices, or pick lists. Pick lists are what you think they would be. They're a generated pick list for someone to go into the warehouse and pick the items for each order, and they can be printed multiple pick lists per page or 1 per page. And you'll notice that after you click an action button, you'll see in the completed steps summary column here, that step is now turned green. We can also print invoices for these orders if you like, and it doesn't matter whether the orders have come from multiple stores. You can have a different logo and a different invoice template for each store that you import your orders from. So we've done that. We've gone out. We'll assume we've grabbed our orders, we've put them in bags, and print labels is the first compulsory step in the eParcel process. And clicking that button will contact Australia Post using your own eParcel credentials, and it will return labels using your own rates. So these labels get returned as PDF files, which you can send directly to a printer, either in an A6 format like this to be sent to a thermal printer like a Dymo 4XL, or you can print A4 4 per page using the printer sheets that Australia Post provides. And you can print either to laser or thermal printers with our app. So after you've done your packaging, you put your labels on, the last step is the manifest or dispatch step. So this will finalise those labels with Australia Post. It will then give you an order summary or manifest report that you can print out and give to the driver. This gets scanned, and every time this is scanned, that'll initiate the first tracking scan event. If we expand the order, we can see that there's a tracking number for the consignment in there. And the very last step, we haven't updated our Shopify orders yet, but at the end of the day or whenever you'd like to, you can click Update Store. So the Update Store process runs in the background. After we've clicked that button, we can move away and do other things in ReadyToShip or elsewhere. But Update Store will automatically connect to your Shopify store. It will update the tracking details and a tracking link for each order, and it will fulfill the orders for you. So this usually only takes about 5 or 10 seconds to update those orders. And once that status box turns green, we can go back to Shopify, we can reload our orders page, and we can see that our 4 orders now have been fulfilled. If we expand one of the orders to have a look at it, we'll see that there's a tracking link already in the system here, and an email to the customer would have been sent with the tracking details. So once you're done, you can then click Remove Completed. That simply archives the orders in our system, which can still be found using the search. So that's how quick and easy it is to print eParcel labels. You can print domestic labels, standard and express, and also international services. And of course, we connect to other carriers as well that use a similar process. So if you've got any other questions or would like to look at help videos, please look at our help section at help.ReadytoShip.com.au, or simply use the live chat bubble in the bottom right-hand corner of the website, and one of our team would be happy to help. Thanks.